My flowers are very dead. I need to get some new ones. I just went and bought myself a little smoothie bowl from Black Sheep Coffee. They've just opened a new coffee shop in Bayswater. I actually did apply for a job there and they rejected me, but their coffee's quite good, so I'm not going to hold it against them. I'm excited to try this. It was kind of expensive, but I thought I would treat myself because I'd gone on a walk. When I was out on my walk, I went to the shops. I picked up a new phone. I picked up a new moisturizer. This is the one that I like to use. It's really cheap and it's really good. I got some new flowers for our room. They were on sale for £1.53. Usually I wouldn't get flowers on sale because obviously it means that they're literally about to die. But £1.53 I thought was pretty good. And they still look alright, and carnations last quite long, I think. So hopefully they'll be okay. And then I picked up the April edition of Vogue. I usually get this delivered. I've had a Vogue subscription literally since I think it's like November 2014 or something like that, and my mum was paying for it and she finally cancelled it, which is fair enough. I should be paying for it now, so I've resubscribed, but I won't get this edition yet. So I went to the shop and bought it. I am actually now missing last month's as well. I don't think I got last month's, so I'm gonna have to try and buy it online because I feel like I can't have a gap in my collection. This afternoon I am going to do a bit of a wardrobe tidy. This is currently what my wardrobe looks like. It looks so messy. I have gotten into a really bad habit of just chucking stuff in the bottom of my wardrobe because I knew I was going to do some sort of clear out at some point, so I need to try and tidy all of that. And this top section is really full, but the bottom section, it only goes to about here. But there's just not a lot there, so I think I'm going to try and move some of my skirts down to the bottom bit, and hopefully that will free up a bit more space because obviously my jackets and coats are there, so they take up quite a lot of room. This was in the bottom of the wardrobe and I just do not see like what the point of it was. I didn't know if it was like a jewellery separator, but like why would you have that at the bottom of your wardrobe? I don't really understand. So I'm gonna get rid of it because it was annoying me. Hopefully I don't regret this. It's a new month, it's April, and I feel like spring and this time of year is one of the best for trying to clean and tidy your space and just have a bit of a reset, or at least that's what I'm going to try and do. April's also my birthday month, so I'm obviously going to be another year older, and I want to feel like I have my life together a bit more than I currently do. And although tidying my wardrobe is such a small thing, it's a step in the right direction, and there are some other things that I'm planning on doing in other aspects of my life. But we've also been in this flat for quite a few months now. We moved in December and it still doesn't fully feel organised, if that makes sense. Like some things were never put away properly and stuff like that, so I want to try and fix that this April and make our space just a bit nicer I think the wardrobe is done for now. I moved a few things about and just made it look a bit tidier. I still need to do my shoes at some point. I might put some up there, but I don't really want my clothes touching my shoes, so I'm not 100% sure. And in there it's just some extra hangers and a few clothing pieces that I'm trying to sell. But definitely looks a lot better than it did before. And it didn't take me that long actually. Oh my gosh, I should have moved that pile of clothes. But I'm currently just doing my makeup right now because we are going this evening to Drygate Brewery because my parents bought us tickets to go watch, I think it's like a screening. Basically this guy walked up all the Munros in Scotland like in one winter period and he made like a film about it. I don't know how long the film is. Like I don't know if we're talking like a 2-hour film or if we're talking maybe like half an hour, I'm not sure. But yeah, he's doing a screening of it and then I think there's like a Q&A with him afterwards or something like that. But my parents are going and so is my brother, and then Danny and I are gonna go, and then 2 of my friends are coming as well. So it should be a fun evening. I'm not really much of like a hill walker myself. Have done multiple Munros, not trying to brag. But would I say I enjoyed them? No. However, I do actually quite like watching like things about people doing stuff like that, like being on mountains and stuff like that. I feel like it's quite entertaining, quite thrilling. But I am looking forward to it, something different for a Wednesday night. I do feel I have maybe done a bit too much makeup. Like I feel like for something like this, everyone's gonna be like outdoorsy and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna walk in with like a full face of makeup. I feel like I might look like a bit of an idiot, but I've done it now. I was at home the other day and I was looking in an old bag for a keyring, like just a random keyring, and I found this lipstick that is a Estee Lauder one in the colour Rebellious Rose, and this bag was, I think, last used when I went to London when I was 18. I went on a trip to London with my advanced higher English class. It was very fun, but I don't think I've used that bag since then because there was all these receipts from London in there, which was so funny. But I found this lipstick and I was like, wait, this is kind of nice. Probably shouldn't be using it, seeing as though it's, wait, am I now? Like at least 6 years old. But I thought it was a really pretty colour, so let's see. Oh, it's a bit dry. It smells like, you know, when you would get a magazine when you were younger and it would come like a kid's magazine and it would come with a lipstick and it smelled really weird. That's how this smells. It's kind of nostalgic. It didn't go on very easily, I won't lie, and it's maybe a bit too much for tonight, but kind of a nice colour.
The first 5 in the Northwest Highlands I'd have to get done today. Yes! I am working tomorrow.
You just said you weren't working.
Can we not get this on recording? This is making you look. I think she's.
I'll mute it.
Your process.
Hi. Long time no see again. Oh, I dyed my hair the other day. What do you think? I've had to put the blinds down because the sun is just, it won't make up its mind. It's really irritating me. Yeah, I dyed my hair a wee bit darker the other day. I liked the colour of my hair before, but I just felt like a change. And I like to every so often dye it dark. I feel like it doesn't look better dark, I don't know. But I quite like it, I think. I guess it's part of my spring reset, spring cleaning that has been apparently meant to be going on for the past few weeks, and I just really haven't done a whole lot. We actually brought most of our books up the other day from Danny's house, which is where they'd been when we moved last time, and I put them all in the bookshelf. It took me quite a while, but they look really good, I think. There was a shelf free at the bottom, and we actually ended up moving all of the books down one shelf so that the top one was free, and I put all of my like nice antique crockery and stuff like that up there so that they're displayed all nicely. I think it's been about 10 days since I last filmed. I don't really know what happened, to be honest. I just did not, like, I didn't know what to film, and I was trying to edit my Paris vlog, and oh my gosh, that video took me so long to edit. And I think because that wasn't done, I just felt like I couldn't vlog until it was finished. But I uploaded it this morning, so I thought I could pick my camera up today. Today's Saturday. I don't really have much planned for the day. Danny's on a bike ride right now, so I'm hoping once he comes back we can maybe do something. And then this evening I am going to my friend's house for a little games night, which will be fun. I am slightly hungover, which I feel like you can tell. When I'm hungover, my face goes like really puffy. I was out for some drinks for 2 of my friends, birthdays last night, so I am not feeling my best, but I'm trying to push through. It's also almost my birthday. It's my birthday a week today, which I'm so excited about. I love my birthday. I do have a few things planned for my birthday, but I won't give you any spoilers because I think I'm going to start a new vlog when it's my birthday week, but all very fun things, and I'm really looking forward to it. This is what the bookcase looks like now. We obviously have all of our books down here, and there's still a bit of space because I think there's still some books at my house, but that's how it looks. And then up here I have all of my antique crockery. I much prefer it being here than in the cupboards because obviously it looks nice as well and I want to display it, but also I always got so paranoid that we were gonna knock stuff over in the cupboards and stuff like that, whereas I feel like that's less likely to happen in here. I've got some plates at the back, some of my teacups. My mum got me that teapot recently and I really love it, and my milk jug. And then over here, I think I showed these in a vlog, I got these wee bowls. And then there is this big plate which I don't really like being there because I feel like I can't really get to it. My mum got me it for Christmas and I love it, but I don't really know where else to put it, so I feel like it's fine there for now.
I just feel like that's probably pronounced completely wrong. Yeah.